Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Jam0510 with another quick unboxing video. But before I start, thank all my viewers, my subscribers for all your support. And if you're actually brand new to my channel, if you like what I'm doing, if you guys can hit that subscribe button. And also appreciate if you guys can hit that thumbs up. So this one is actually a package I got from JimmyJazz.com. So let's get to it. And this is going to be more of a fall, winter type of shoe. And originally when it released, I missed out on the other stores, but that was actually a good thing because I was able to get this for under retail since Jimmy Jazz actually had a coupon for 20% off. Again, Jimmy Jazz receipt right there. Actually have the paper. And as you can see, it is a Timberland box right here. Here it is, 6-inch premium boot in red, size 9.5. And here it is. Again, you have the tag right there. You got the gum bottom. Pretty much an all red boot. Then here is the other pair. Again, more of a, for fall, winter. So, dope looking shoe. Nice color. YouTube, if you guys have any questions, just hit me up, leave me a comment, or inbox me. You can also follow me on social media. I'll have all the links in the description. YouTube, peace.